Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a scroll view like this. Make a list of elements inside a scroll view, and you can set up whatever text you want here and a button. So let's get started. So we're going to be using a scroll view. So first I'm going to get rid of this one, and in my canvas I'm going to add a new scroll view right there. We expand the width and the height. So I'm doing this tutorial because I haven't seen this shit anywhere. I saw some other videos using panels or whatever. So once we have this, if we hit play, the bars, the scroll bars, they're gonna hide. So in order for them to stay, we need to go inside this, and here where it says auto hide, we do it a permanent. So now this vertical one is going to be permanent. That's what we need. We don't need this horizontal one. You can. So then the spacing is the spacing between the elements. So we set it to 10 or something. -3, they're going to be overlapping. So then we make a panel. So UI panel. That's what we're going to be inserting inside of this. As you can see, I can't move it right now. So I have to press Alt on the keyboard. Alt and Shift centers it and changes the language of my windows, whatever, but also puts it somewhere. So Alt, Shift and center, I think, and then I can move. No, sorry, just Alt and center it like this, and then you can shrink it, and then you can also do like this, and then you position it in there. So this new panel, I'm gonna do a red one, because red is different from my old panel that I got right there. So that's to show you that it works. Then we go to text. We put the new text right there to the left. Tutorial with I and a button or whatever. You can put inside it any element that you want. This one I'm gonna make it more square so that it's easily recognizable. There we go. Then this panel we're gonna have to put inside of the content of this. So in the content of the scroll view, this is the scroll view. So for now we don't need the panel, we make it a prefab and we delete it from the scene. And in the scroll view we do a vertical layout group as well as a content size fitter. There we go. And we have a script which is called lobby script, and we're going to have two instances. One of the lobby scroll view, the scroll view. I'm going to be using this for lobby, so that's why it's called like this, but that's the scroll view and that's the single lobby entry. So one is game object and the other one is transform. Game object and transform, they have very similar properties. If you want to spawn things inside your scene, you can use either of them, but the transform, you can use it to instantiate a game object inside of it. So if you hold here in the instantiate method, we can see that we can spawn inside of a parent. So the parent is going to be this one, the transform, the scroll view, and so that's really simple code. You can do it with for each, we can do it whatever way we want. But here for simplicity, I did a 6 of these instances. So we spawn the lobby entry inside the scroll view content. So then we put the scroll view content right there, the transform, maybe content new, because that's the old one. New like this. There we go. And then the lobby entry, we go to prefabs and scroll the panel. Then I hit play, and there we go. We have it populated. So one thing though, you cannot scroll, as you can see, up or down. That is, we have the 6. You can scroll like this, but it's elastic, and this scroll right there doesn't work regular. So that is because of the content size fitter. Vertical fit, preferred size, and then that's it. There we go. We have our simple scroller. That's what we get. Thank you guys for watching, and see you.